2, 3.
Okay, here we go. Eagle Creek Trail.
Okay, Eagle Creek Trail with Dad today. He just got into backpacking, so I wanted to take him on a day trip today. Show him all your gear, Dad.
That's my REI Trailbreak 60, loaded to the gills.
And your GoPro on your head and everything.
GoPro on my cap, and
you're ready for the day.
got everything packed except the tent, but have an emergency bivvy just in case we get stranded up there.
So we're headed up to the beginning of the trail right now, but it's a beautiful day and we'll probably see at least a couple waterfalls, if not more. So I'm excited. Woo!
Yeah, we're in beast mode, Amber. I'm doing the long hike.
Yeah.
The extra mile to the parking lot.
How's all your weight doing?
Good. I feel like I'm going downhill. GoPro doesn't pick up this incline very well, I don't think. It's just about straight up here. Nice. Yikes.
Oh boy. Want me to go first?
Straight up. Yeah, I'll follow you and I'll catch you in case you fall back.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's a little slippery. Be careful.
Yeah, this is where the stick comes in handy.
Ah!
Piece of cake.
Okay. Are you ready? Got your sweatshirt off and everything? Got a little cooler as we were doing that too. Shadier. The wind picked up a little.
Long way down.
Getting up there. Dad's got a Trailbreak 60 liter right now, REI, that he's hiking with. He found a hiking stick to help him out. Where'd you get your cargo pants, Dad?
Off Amazon.
Off Amazon.
They
Look great, ton of pockets. Zip into shorts.
Yeah, the legs zip off if you want to switch to shorts. Really comfortable.
Okay, let me see your whole outfit, Dad. Nice.
Okay, we're headed up the danger zone. deep and wet. Slippery. And over here on the dry rock. It looks scarier in the picture than it is in reality. In the picture it looks like we're about to fall off of.
I mean, you're kind of about to.
Yeah. Not bad. Just steep.
Yeah.
Don't look down.
For real. There's one of the waterfalls over there. See it?
That's a mile in that they were talking about. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if GoPro can pick it up or not. Definitely above the creek. Oh, beautiful. With drone footage, the sun can sometimes be a hindrance, especially if you're flying into it.
We're just about to hit the falls. We've probably hiked about 1.5 miles so far. Nice incline. Yeah. I hear something roaring. Dad's out here killing it. 67 out here doing all these trails and these inclines with me. Pretty proud of him. Pretty inspiring at his age. But I love going hiking with him, so we'll continue.
That's bear scat.
Really?
Yeah, it's old. But this will turn colors and let you know when the water's boiling.
Nice. How long do you do it for?
It takes about a minute.
Yeah, steaming up pretty good.
Yeah, that's done. Hold this for a second. And then,
be careful.
just pour it in here. That's one. You're gonna have to hold it.
Do I close the bag and shake it up?
We need to stir it. Hang on just a minute.
Here we go.
I don't know if it's, I need to tilt it up a little bit.
No, it's good. Okay, cheers.
There's Andrew by the falls. Gary. Falls. We were up there earlier flying the drone. We've got waterfalls down here. So we're a couple miles from the trailhead. So we're about to start hiking back.
Let's go. This part's brutal.
Yeah, it's brutal. Once we get up, it'll be all downhill from there.
Good job, Dad. Way to tough it out.
Thanks.
There's where we had lunch.